Hello. Yes, I have a news. Let's see. All right, people. Let me show you some. Right, people. How I learned to do this. 2023 GMC Yukon XL84. Okay. I had an issue. Issue was this pin over here. You see, it's bent there. Like you can't take it off, right? That's why. I take it the other side. Other side is easy, like a 1 second job. That's the thing. It was here, like right off, right? But this side has a problem. You can't turn this one because engine was locked. This small motor. I tried to part of it. I took it whole bolts, but it's not coming in that place. It's not coming out. I just did everything I can, but nothing happened. That's why on this way, I try to clean up. Right? I cut it this piece over from here, and this big piece so hot. I just cut it. It was around here. Yep. Just cut that to able to access here, so I can cut this metal piece here to get this one. And this one came locked. You need to open it to access there, same spot here, the new one. How we gonna do that? You guys I check on the YouTube. A guy show us. There's a 2-wire here, big ones, and that top one. And I got a small like this one, and for here in the two top, I just use these two wires, right? Give that little bit juice here on that top part, the big ones, and it just right open it. Now I can install that. But on this one, I try to do it, but it's not working because motor is dead. That's why I have to change it. Anyway, normally without taking off this old parts, you can do it, but without, for my case, because it was closed, stuck in the closed position, that's why I couldn't able to do it. I have to do all the way, like find I even like got this is the old one. I got the brand new one and cut like a butter. You can see like how thick is this metal piece here. Yeah, guys, I searched like almost like 2-3 hours on the internet. I couldn't find the way to, because you can't turn this one to able to get this. Like that's the thing. You have to pull it here, but it's not gonna. It's gonna touch here eventually. That's why I clean up area. Now I'm gonna cut this piece here to get access to that point. Now I can free this guy, install over there, and install new motor here, and just plug in the car. Easy. But this makes my day like 1 day. Kill one day. Alright, people. Just able to cut fucking this piece. Now I can able to just use this one. That's it. Open it. This is old junk piece. Yep, here we are. A lot of extra steps for this fucking job. Now I'm gonna install that over there. That one is already there. And this middle bar is gonna go both of them, and go take the car and install it. Yes, people. Okay, let's see. Hop. Let's climb up the new motor. Nice. I just painted wrongly this area. Yeah, that's it.